Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Calumet County, northern Winnebago County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Lake Plogan, or 15 miles southeast of Wapaka, and moving east at 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Winneconne, Winchester, Lawson, Allenville, Menasha, Neenah, northern Lake Winnebago, and central Lake Winnebago. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, large hail, and deadly lightning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Wisconsin, Calumet, and Winnebago.